The next type of essay we are going to discuss is the problem solution essay. Problem solution essays are a popular form of persuasion. We want to persuade others that we have a better idea or a better plan. A problem solution paper requires you to investigate a problem, examine alternative solutions, and propose the most effective solution using supporting evidence. You will first describe the problem and persuade your reader that the problem needs to be addressed. Then explain a possible solution and provide support to show why the solution is a good choice. The essay can describe a problem or problems with two or multiple solutions, or just one problem and one ideal solution. There are two main ways to structure a problem solution essay. One is a block structure and the other is a point-by-point structure. In the block structure, we can write about the problem or problems in the first body paragraph, and then we can write about the solutions in the next two body paragraphs. The other method is the point-by-point structure. Here, you can write about the problem and the solution in each body paragraph. So each problem is followed immediately by the solution to that problem. Both types of structure have their merits. The former is generally clearer, especially for shorter essays, while the latter ensures that any solutions you present relate directly to the problems you have given. But before you start to write your essay, you have to analyze the question. Analyzing is one of the most important parts of answering any writing question. This is the first thing that needs to be done before writing anything. You have to take the time to properly think about it, otherwise it is very difficult to answer the question correctly. Let's look at the question. All over the world, societies are facing a growing problem with obesity. This problem affects both children and adults. What are the reasons for the rise in obesity? How could it be tackled? We analyze the question by thinking about keywords and instruction words. Keywords are the words that tell us what the general topic is. In our question, it is obesity. However, we need to focus on other keywords. Keywords such as all over the world, societies, children and adults are important because the essay is not generally about obesity. The instruction words will show what type of essay you will need to write. In this case, the instruction words are what are the reasons for this and how it could be tackled. This means you have to write about the reason for the problem and how the problem can be solved. Another important thing we have to mention is the transition words you need to use for problem solution essays. In writing your essay and weaving your problems and solutions together, you would need to use some transition words to improve connections between sentences and paragraphs, thereby giving the text a more logical organization and structure. As you already know, using transitions is very important as they help carry a thought from one sentence to another, from one idea to another, or as mentioned, from one sentence or paragraph to another. Let's see some examples for transitions in problem solution essays. To introduce suggestions, to begin, start with, one way to, another solution would be. Another way to express cause, because of, owing to, due to the fact that, for this reason. To express effect, thus, therefore, as a result, consequently. To express reality, in fact, as a matter of fact. To emphasize what you say, obviously, clearly. To include, all in all, to sum up, all things considered.